Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the distance between the points 2, minus 2 and minus 1, x is 5, one of the values of x is. So we know distance between any two points is given by distance equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In this case, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to minus 1, y1 equal to minus 2 and y2 equal to x, and distance is given as 5 units. So let's put these values in above equation. We get 5 equal to under root of x1 is 2, 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y1 is minus 2 minus x whole square. So we get 2 minus of minus 1 is 2 plus 1, so that is 3 square. So we get 9 plus minus will take common 2 plus x whole square. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So this negative sign is getting removed here. So under root of 9 plus 2 plus x whole square units equal to 5. So squaring both sides in order to solve, we get 25 equal to 9 plus 2 plus x whole square. We have simply removed this under root radical. So let's see, we can take this 9 over to this side. So we get 2 plus x whole square equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So we get 2 plus x whole square equal to 16. We can simply take square root here because there is a square and this is also whole square. So taking square root on both sides, we get 2 plus x equal to plus minus 4, because square root of 16 is two values plus 4 and minus 4. So in case 2 plus x is equal to 4, we get x equal to 2, and in case 2 plus x is equal to minus 4, we get x equal to minus 6. And we are asked one of the values of x. So let's see what are the options. Yes, one of the values of x is 2 plus 2. So answer is option B.